Learn Gujarati from English. Avoided, fixed, Friday tasks and rules with.
समस्या.
Welcome to Gujarati survival mode. Hey, you are about to learn some seriously useful Gujarati without sounding like a confused office printer. We will keep it fun, practical, and just dramatic enough to remember. Today you will learn 5 powerful sentences in Gujarati. First,
તે ટાળી શકાય છે.
means, that can be avoided. Second,
ભૂલ ઝડપથી સુધારી શકાય છે.
means, the error can be fixed quickly. Third,
કાર્ય શુક્રવાર સુધી પૂર્ણ કરવાનું છે.
means, the task must be completed by Friday. Fourth,
નિયમનું કડકપણે પાલન કરવું આવશ્યક છે.
means, the rule must be strictly followed. And fifth,
સમસ્યા ઉકેલી શકાય નહીં.
means, the problem could not be solved. Congratulations, you now sound like a calm manager, a strict teacher, and a mildly stressed employee all at once. Phrase 1. Dodge the banana peel. Let us start with a useful sentence for danger, mistakes, and dramatic overreactions. Imagine life throwing nonsense at you and you stepping aside like a movie hero. The key phrase is,
તે ટાળી શકાય છે.
it means, that can be avoided. If a friend says, oh no, this whole mess is unavoidable, you can answer,
તે ટાળી શકાય છે.
calm, confident, and maybe wearing sunglasses. Try this full example, with better planning.
તે ટાળી શકાય છે.
Single quote. Another one. This mistake can be avoided, becomes.
આ ભૂલ ટાળી શકાય છે.
Memory trick. Hear, tally, in.
ટાળી.
And think, tally the danger, then move away. Weird? Yes. Effective? Also yes. Phrase 2. Relax, the typo is not a national emergency. Now for a sentence every student, worker, and accidental sender of embarrassing messages needs. This phrase is pure relief. Say it with me.
ભૂલ ઝડપથી સુધારી શકાય છે.
The error can be fixed quickly. Break it down a little.
ભૂલ.
Is error or mistake.
ઝડપથી.
Means quickly.
સુધારી શકાય છે.
Means can be corrected. Mini dialogue. A says, there is a mistake in the file. B says,
ભૂલ ઝડપથી સુધારી શકાય છે.
another useful version is,
ચિંતા કરશો નહીં. ભૂલ ઝડપથી સુધારી શકાય છે.
that means, do not worry, the error can be fixed quickly. Imagine a robot screaming because of one tiny typo and a tiny mechanic whispering.
ભૂલ ઝડપથી સુધારી શકાય છે.
Very reassuring robot care. Phrase 3. The Friday monster. You knew a deadline phrase was coming. Every language learner eventually meets the terrifying creature known as Friday. The sentence is,
કાર્ય શુક્રવાર સુધી પૂર્ણ કરવાનું છે.
it means, the task must be completed by Friday. Keywords inside it help a lot.
કાર્ય.
Means, task.
શુક્રવાર.
Is, Friday.
સુધી.
Means, by, or, until. Office drama version. The boss walks in, points at a file, and announces,
કાર્ય શુક્રવાર સુધી પૂર્ણ કરવાનું છે.
Everyone suddenly types faster, even the person who was clearly shopping online. Helpful sentence. Please remember.
કાર્ય શુક્રવાર સુધી પૂર્ણ કરવાનું છે.
Single quote. If you want to remember it, picture a calendar with Friday circled in red and a coffee mug that keeps yelling.
શુક્રવાર.
Rude mug, but educational. Phrase 4. The strict rule kingdom. This one sounds serious, because it is serious. Use it when rules are not suggestions but actual rules, unlike, please do not eat chips near the keyboard. The phrase is,
નિયમનું કડકપણે પાલન કરવું આવશ્યક છે.
it means, the rule must be strictly followed. Very official. Very no nonsense. Inside the sentence.
નિયમ.
Means, rule.
કડકપણે.
Means, strictly.
પાલન કરવું.
Means, to follow. Safety example.
સુરક્ષા માટે નિયમનું કડકપણે પાલન કરવું આવશ્યક છે.
For safety, the rule must be strictly followed. Funny image. Even a dancing robot stops mid-dance, salutes, and says,
નિયમનું કડકપણે પાલન કરવું આવશ્યક છે.
Strict disco is still strict. Phrase 5. When even the experts sigh. Not every story ends with victory music. Sometimes the answer is simply, well, no answer. The sentence is,
સમસ્યા ઉકેલી શકાય નહીં.
it means, the problem could not be solved. Important word.
સમસ્યા
Means, problem.
ઉકેલી શકાય નહીં.
Gives the idea, could not be solved. Example. In the end.
સમસ્યા ઉકેલી શકાય નહીં.
Single quote. Another one.
નિષ્ણાતોએ પણ કહ્યું કે સમસ્યા ઉકેલી શકાય નહીં.
Even the experts said the problem could not be solved. Picture a genius chicken in glasses staring at a math problem and clucking.
સમસ્યા ઉકેલી શકાય નહીં.
If the chicken gives up, maybe the puzzle really is hard. Quick contrast drill. Now you will train your ear by comparing hopeful sentences with stressful ones. Very uplifting. Occasionally terrifying. If danger can be prevented, say.
તે ટાળી શકાય છે.
If a mistake is repairable, say.
ભૂલ ઝડપથી સુધારી શકાય છે.
If there is a deadline, say.
કાર્ય શુક્રવાર સુધી પૂર્ણ કરવાનું છે.
If rules are serious, say.
નિયમનું કડકપણે પાલન કરવું આવશ્યક છે.
If all efforts fail, say.
સમસ્યા ઉકેલી શકાય નહીં.
See, your Gujarati now covers optimism, realism, and workplace panic. Mini dialogue. Office chaos in 2 languages. Let us throw all 5 phrases into one tiny story. Because nothing helps memory like controlled fictional stress. Manager. We have a mistake in the report. Assistant.
ભૂલ ઝડપથી સુધારી શકાય છે.
Manager. Good. But the deadline is close. Assistant.
કાર્ય શુક્રવાર સુધી પૂર્ણ કરવાનું છે.
Manager. And please follow procedure. Assistant.
નિયમનું કડકપણે પાલન કરવું આવશ્યક છે.
Intern. Holding coffee upside down. Can disaster still be avoided? Everyone together.
તે ટાળી શકાય છે.
Narrator. Then the printer ate page 12, and sadly.
સમસ્યા ઉકેલી શકાય નહીં.
The printer wins again. Your challenge. Time for you to speak. Say each Gujarati phrase after the English cue, and do it like you absolutely know what you are doing. English. That can be avoided. Gujarati.
તે ટાળી શકાય છે.
English. The error can be fixed quickly. Gujarati.
ભૂલ ઝડપથી સુધારી શકાય છે.
English. The task must be completed by Friday. Gujarati.
કાર્ય શુક્રવાર સુધી પૂર્ણ કરવાનું છે.
English. The rule must be strictly followed. Gujarati.
નિયમનું કડકપણે પાલન કરવું આવશ્યક છે.
English. The problem could not be solved. Gujarati.
સમસ્યા ઉકેલી શકાય નહીં.
Great job, language hero. Nice work. You just learned 5 advanced, useful Gujarati sentences and survived the office drama too. Let us close with one last review.
તે ટાળી શકાય છે. ભૂલ ઝડપથી સુધારી શકાય છે. કાર્ય શુક્રવાર સુધી પૂર્ણ કરવાનું છે. નિયમનું કડકપણે પાલન કરવું આવશ્યક છે. સમસ્યા ઉકેલી શકાય નહીં.
Thank you for listening and learning with me. Keep practicing these Gujarati phrases out loud, use them in your own examples, and come back soon for more.